What's going on YouTube? Don Russo here from Freeway Music. I am doing a Justin Bieber song today called Intentions, and I'm just showing you the basic guitar for it. And it's a pretty cool like riff. It's actually not technically on guitar, but it sounds pretty dope on guitar. So I'm going to go through it today and teach you how to do it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, let us know if there's other songs you want to learn how to do. Give us some suggestions. We'll be happy to teach you guys how to do them. We got all kinds of tunes on here. Video game songs, pop tunes, blues songs, all kinds of stuff. So just check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment. All right, so the song is really simple. It's just 3 chords, the whole song. So if you want to play it like just by yourself on guitar or ukulele, whatever, piano, it's really just A, F sharp minor, and then E, or sorry, D. So A, F sharp minor, D. That's it. That's the whole song. Now the intro riff is a little bit more complicated. It's going to be an A major 7 chord like this. So I'm going to take this open A form here, and I'm going to bar those 3 and play the 4th fret of the high E string with my ring finger here. This is called A major 7. Okay. I've also got my guitar tuned to drop D for this riff. If you don't know what that is, essentially everything's tuned the same except for the low E string. I'm tuning it to a D. So I went D and then D right there. Now I can tune by ear like this and tune the E down to a D, or I can take a tuner and just take it and tune it down to D that way. Okay? So here we go. The first riff, literally it's just straight down the A. And I'm doing like a little palm mute over here. I'm using the heel of my palm against the bridge like that to get that palm muted sound. To kind of get more of that plunky sound that's like actually part of the song. So here we go. So then I'm going to start off again. Then I'm going to reach my pinky up to the 5th fret right here. And I'm going to go 5, 4 or A, G sharp. So watch. Then I go 5th fret on the B string. So all right, and then at the end I'm going to use my ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string. So I got that's all I'm doing. It just does that twice for A, okay? One more time, a little more up to speed. Cool. And then I'm going to go to an F sharp minor. Okay, so normally I would play it like this. I would bar the 2nd fret and put my ring and pinky here. But since I'm in drop D, I'm going to use my middle ring and pinky right here on the 4th fret. So I got middle finger 4th fret low E, ring finger 4th fret A, pinky 4th fret D. And then I'm going to use my 1st finger back here in the 2nd fret of the G and the B string. This is kind of hard if you're not used to doing bar chords. Okay, so check it out. All I'm doing is just going straight down through this chord. So I got A, then F sharp minor. And then this next chord is D. So the reason I had to go to drop D was to get that low drop D sound. So I'm going to go D, A, D, F sharp, then I'm going to go to A. So the frets would be 0, 0, 0, 4, 2. So ready? From here. So from here, and then a quick 2, 4 right here, A, B. So from the top, I get A, F sharp minor, D, and then it's going to F sharp minor again, and then D. Then right here, instead of going, it's actually going to go. So let me slow that down for you. That's going to be D, A, D, E, A, G sharp, A. Or open, 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 5, 2, 1, 2. So, all right, now that we have that, let's just put it all together. Let's start nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. A little faster. 2, 3, 4. Cool, just a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. So. Cool. So that's the riff for the Justin Bieber song Intentions. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you check out some of our other tutorials on the channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you want to learn. I'll teach it to you. All right, see you guys next time.